First of all, the idea that, repeat the last part of the question, please.
So she's asking if a ban goes into effect on certain kinds of weapons and high-capacity magazines.
And what's her name?
Kate.
Kate, if you want to protect yourself, get a double-barrel shotgun, have the shells, a 12-gauge shotgun, and I promise you, as I told my wife, we live in an area that's wooded and somewhat secluded. I said, Jill, if there's ever a problem, just walk out on the balcony here or walk out, put that double-barrel shotgun and fire 2 blasts outside the house.
Okay. Okay.
Oh! I'm not gonna do this.
Go as fast as you can.
Buy a shotgun. Buy a shotgun.
Okay, so one really cool thing about the AA-12 is that it has absolutely no recoil. You've got very, very little. There is a complete spring system back here that absorbs all of the shock, so anyone can operate this weapon. A child could operate it. Check this out. You drop a mag, throw another one in, it's good to go. So you see how reliable this weapon system is. You can do anything to it, it doesn't matter, it works every time. Okay, so you've seen one AA-12, now you're going to get to see 2 AA-12s.
You don't need an AR-15. It's harder to aim, it's harder to use, and in fact, you don't need 30 rounds to protect yourself.
AR-15 rifle. Now, I've been here at Gunsight training with this gun for a couple of days. This gun has been at the center of controversy for months, and we've heard the argument that it's not useful in self-defense cases.
You do not need an assault weapon to defend yourself or your property. Assault weapons have one purpose, and one purpose only: to kill a large number of people really quick.
The opposite is true. It's lightweight, compact, very accurate, and very good at stopping a violent threat.
All right, don't mess with Katie Pavlich.
Buy a shotgun. Buy a shotgun. Buy a shotgun. Buy a shotgun.
All right, so I just had the chance to choose a Tavor for the first time, and I really enjoyed it. Tell us what you think about it.
Well, the Tavor is a brand new rifle, relatively speaking. It's been out for a few years, but this really is the ultimate evolution of the Bullpup rifle. This is probably the most current, or the newest Bullpup on the market right now. This thing changes the game even more than the AUG or even the FS-2000. Now, the FS-2000 has the forward ejection. This rifle still ejects out back here in the stock. However, this rifle has something that the AUG lacks, and that is an ejection port buffer. When we're shooting 5.56 ammo, this rifle will throw the brass at the 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock position. If you're shooting 223 spec ammo, it'll throw it out at about the 3 o'clock position. But it makes it very easy to shoot it from the left hand. Also, this rifle is completely ambidextrous. That means you can buy this rifle. This is configured as a right-hand user's rifle. However, unlike the AUG, I can also reverse the charging handle. I can put this charging handle over here on the right-hand side of the rifle. Now, just like the AUG, I can put a left-hand bolt in this rifle, and it will eject out the other side of the rifle. But the AUG also has a cross-block safety, which it's natural to use. If you're a right-handed shooter, you'll just reach up and push it across to fire. But if you're a left-handed shooter, it's different. You're going to have to reach over with your thumb to push it across. It's reversed, right? This rifle has a selector lever right here, which is reversible. You can actually put this selector lever on either side of the rifle, and it's in the same position as you would expect, say, like an AR-15. This rifle also has completely ambidextrous release on the magazine, which is the release right here. So really, this rifle is fully ambidextrous, meaning you can configure it for either right hand or left hand use 100%, which makes it really, really cool.
Buy a shotgun. Buy a shotgun. Buy a shotgun. Buy a shotgun. Buy a shotgun.